As the anticipation builds for the IFA 2023 launch event, technology enthusiasts around the world are eagerly awaiting the unveiling of the latest innovations from global brands. Among them, Lenovo has taken an early stride by offering a tantalizing glimpse of one of its most anticipated products, the Lenovo Legion i9 gaming laptop, during a press event in China. The curtain has been partially lifted, and thanks to the efforts of outlets like MS Power User and the vigilant redditors of our gaming laptops, the tech community is getting a clearer picture of what to expect. Leaked images and a detailed spec sheet of the Lenovo Legion i9 have found their way into the spotlight, creating a buzz that's reverberating across online forums and social media platforms. At the heart of this gaming powerhouse lies an Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, poised to deliver unparalleled performance for even the most demanding gaming experiences. Complementing this processing might be a formidable GeForce RTX 4090-16 graphics card, solidifying the Legion i9's status as a contender among the upper echelon of gaming laptops. One of the most intriguing revelations is the laptop's rumored world's thinnest water cooling system, housing 3 fans that work in concert to ensure efficient cooling, even when the laptop is pushed to its limits during intense gaming sessions. This engineering marvel promises to keep temperatures in check while maintaining optimal performance, a crucial consideration for any serious gamer. Storage concerns are addressed with the anticipated inclusion of 2 M.2 SSDs, providing not only ample space for a burgeoning game library, but also ensuring swift load times and responsiveness. The laptop is also developed with flexibility in mind, featuring 2 DDR5 DIMM slots for seamless memory upgrades, allowing gamers to tailor their experience to their specific needs. Gaming marathons are further facilitated by the inclusion of a 4-cell 99.9 watt-hours battery, poised to deliver extended performance without tethering players to a power outlet. The display is equally impressive, boasting a 16.3-inch 2K IPS mini LED screen, with a variable refresh rate of up to 165 Hz. This promises to deliver not only a high-resolution visual feast, but also the smoothness required for seamless gameplay. In terms of aesthetics, the Legion i9 is rumored to sport a distinctive carbon material cover, adding a touch of sophistication to its already impressive resume. Additionally, the laptop is expected to provide comprehensive connectivity options, including 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, RJ45 Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, an audio jack, and an SD card reader 3.0. This array of ports caters to a wide range of peripherals and external devices, enhancing the laptop's versatility. As the IFA 2023 launch event draws near, the excitement surrounding the Lenovo Legion i9 gaming laptop continues to build. With its robust specifications, innovative cooling system, stunning display, and comprehensive connectivity options, the Legion i9 seems poised to make a significant impact in the gaming laptop landscape, further solidifying Lenovo's reputation as a key player in the sphere of gaming technology. I was very interested in this model of a gaming laptop, and you? I'm already looking forward to its release and to test it. Have a nice day and God bless you.